Termites are destructive pests that can cause significant damage to your house. In this scene, we will show you how to identify signs of termite infestation. Look out for mud tubes along the foundation of your house or in crawl spaces. These tubes act as tunnels for termites to travel to and from their nests. You should also be observant of hollow or damaged wood, as this can indicate termite activity. Finally, keep an eye out for discarded wings, as winged termites often swarm when establishing a new colony. Preventing termites from entering your house is crucial. In this scene, we will provide you with some preventive measures. Seal any cracks or openings in your foundation and walls, as these can serve as entry points for termites. Ensure that your windows and doors have proper screens and that there are no gaps for termites to squeeze through. Additionally, keep a gap between soil and wood structures to prevent termites from accessing your house. These proactive steps can significantly reduce the risk of termite infestation. If you have a termite infestation in your house, it's essential to take immediate action. In this scene, we will explore different treatment methods. One common approach is using liquid termiticides, which are applied to the soil around the house to create a barrier against termites. Another option is termite baits, which are placed strategically to attract and kill termites. Heat treatments and fumigation are also effective methods for eliminating termite colonies. It's crucial to consult with a professional pest control expert to determine the best treatment for your specific situation. After successfully getting rid of termites, it's important to maintain a termite-free home. In this scene, we will provide you with some maintenance tips. Regularly inspect your house for any signs of termite activity, especially in vulnerable areas such as wooden structures and crawl spaces. Keep your house well ventilated and ensure proper drainage to prevent moisture buildup, which attracts termites. Finally, consider implementing a termite prevention plan that includes periodic inspections from a professional pest control service to catch any potential infestations early on.